Well, good evening and welcome back to the channel and welcome to my little shed. Now this is just going to be a very short video in response to a video I put up last week. If you watched it, I put a video up of the Hornet, the 600 Hornet that I bought, and I got it for next to nothing, and I wasn't sure what, to be fair, I bought it, not really sure why I bought it. It was just, it's cheap, it runs, it looks great, I'm having it. Got it home and then we was debating whether to let Louise have it and get, restore it and give it to Louise when she eventually passes a test, or whether we turn it into a calf racer or a scrambler. So I put a video out there just to ask the question, and I had some great response from you guys, and it was a bit 50-50 really. A lot of people saying save it for Louise, keep it standard. Others were saying turn it into a scrambler, calf racer. So ultimately the decision has been made. Louise and I have a long chat about this, and this isn't going to go to Louise when she passes her test. It's going to be converted into something pretty special and pretty cool. Now, the reason we're not going to keep it for Louise, just because we got it cheap and just because it's a 600, doesn't mean it's going to suit her. It's quite old technology. It hasn't got ABS brakes or anything like that, which I think she's going to be really needing when she passes her test. The bike she's on now has all that, so it's what she's used to. So putting her on something with old technology, I don't think it's going to be a great idea. Also, it's a 600 4-cylinder. I had one of these as my first big bike, and believe me, they are rapid, they are quick. She doesn't need something as fast as this. So just because we got it doesn't mean she has to have it. So we're going to potentially, once she's passed the test, go back down the CB500 route, the Z650, something that's a twin cylinder, a lot less power than this. She'll be a lot safer, which is good news for me, because then it means I get to cut this thing up and a right old laugh at it. Yeah, it is a shame. These bikes are great. It looks great as it is. You think, why are you chopping it up? But it's a machine. And it's a toy, so it's there to be enjoyed. So I'm going to do a video series of this over the winter, of me taking it apart, sourcing all the parts. There'll be questions for you guys, because fabrication wise I've got no issue with that. Mechanically there's going to be questions which I'll throw out to you guys as I put the videos up, and I'm going to try and do that once a week. We're trying to do something on it every weekend in the winter. So if you want to watch that video series of me turning this into something like this, then hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, because then that will tell you when the videos are coming up, and you can enjoy my little journey with this as the winter months kick in and we can't go out because it's too cold. So yeah, it's just an update from the previous video I made, that bike's not going to Louise, bike's staying with me, and I'm going to have loads of fun with it. Cheers, thanks very much.